In today's analysis, the Bitcoin market has found its footing and reversed. So I'm going to walk you through step by step. And just like you all know, I'll start my analysis from 4 a.m. So when we look at it, we had the doji right here at 4 a.m., which is indecision. So with a bullish doji, that should tell you obviously buyers will take over, but that's not always the case. All right, now to get a better understanding, you can also move back 15 minutes before the 4 a.m. because I'm dealing with the 15 minutes analysis. All right, so from here to here is another 15 minutes. Now, as you can tell, we saw some uptrend bullish candle, meaning buyers have managed to take over compared to what happened yesterday. Now, I've taken my time to give you a proper breakdown. When you go back, you can tell it's the same thing, but I just want to break it down from this. So we saw a swing low in the bottom down here, which gave us below 76,800 price. So this was around 75 there. So when I come down here and I hover, you can tell right from here it was 76. All right. Now we saw a higher low and a higher high. All right. Now, so we realized that buyers were firm by pushing the price up. All right. And it went on, but on 5 a.m. we realized that sellers took over. All right. But still 15 minutes later, which is 5:30 a.m., buyers took over again. But around 15 minutes to 6, sellers were really strong and firm and they started pushing price down. All right. So that's why we see this bearish candle. All right. It went, even at exactly 6 o'clock, it went all the way up. That means buyers were still pushing it up, but sellers managed to push it down. All right. And we saw a downtrend of a black roll down here. All right. But then again, you can tell the buyers were able to push the market up. All right. So there was the resistance and the support right here. But then buyers took over again, right? On and on. So you can tell the market is trying to bounce back, even though sellers try to push it down again and again and again, but still buyers were able to push it up. All right. It goes down again. But as you can tell, buyers are pushing it up and up, a strong bullish market. Now, when you check the chart that I made, this gives you a better understanding of the same chart, even though I brought it down here. You see from the bottom left, we saw swing low base, all right, at around 76,700 down here. And then also we saw a higher high here, indicating a strong resistance around 77,500 with a higher high. Now, soon as the market opens, buyers try to push it up and up, which saw the rejection wick down here at 77,800, but sellers were able to push it down and down all the way down here, and the market closed here. But then again, sellers keep up with the bearish trend, but at the end of the day, we saw buyers holding their stand firmly. But prior to that, we saw a pullback in an uptrend. Now, when you go back, all right, so now what does this bullish candle represent, or what does it mean? All right, so when you check the market right now, we saw this is the candle that I show you, but then again, buyers were really strong, all right, indicating that the Bitcoin has found its foot in the market because traders are buying more coins or units compared to yesterday. All right, but today is the buyers who are pushing it up and up. Then sellers try to resist, which saw the market at around $77,691.61. There was a resistance and sellers try to push the market back down. But as it is now, Bitcoin assets will remain around this area. Let's say around 77,200 by 4 p.m. But then again, like I said, it can change. All right. So just do your own analysis. That's my disclaimer, because I'm not guaranteeing you anything. And don't let anybody trade for you. Do your own trading. This is a high risk business because the market is volatile. You never know. All right. And looking at the geopolitical tensions and issues, the prices fluctuate a lot. So take charge of your trade. Take charge of your trade.